Wild Badger 40 volts 18-inch lawnmower. 3-year residential warranty. That sounds like you have to use this at home, not for commercial reasons. Well, that's a lot of stuff. These are all the parts that's included. Main motor unit, leaf catch. There are 2 poles that you need to install with these knobs. This is the handle that connects to these poles. Use this hardware, a cable clip, the user manual, the giant battery, and the charger. It says R for right side, but the metal also bends this way, so it needs to go here. There's this little plastic piece and it goes right here. And if the angle is too low, it actually won't seat all the way. So let me go up 1 notch. It seats all the way. If I go up another notch, it can seat there too. If I go 1 more, it actually does not seat. So you can choose from 2 angles, and then we can screw in one of the knobs. On the other side, put it at the same notch. I put the one where the angle is higher and screw in the locking bolt. Make sure the cable is on the right side, and I find it easiest to just rest it on the ground and pull it upwards like this. Install the bolt from the inside to the outside. Make sure it locks into the square hole. Put one of the washers on top and thread on this handle. Do the same thing to the other side. For this side, you might have to pull it in a little bit, put the washer on, and again, thread on the handle. Now lift up, pull in the handle to tighten everything. And with this side, it is 18 inches. The blade itself is 17 inches, held down by a bolt, and it keeps it locked with a couple of plastic nubs here, here. There's a plastic post here and here. It's a mulching and bagging lawnmower, so if you lift this panel up, this piece in here is the mulching attachment, so when it's in place, all the leaves gets left on the lawn. If you want to do bagging, you remove this, lift up on this flap, fit this metal bar into the slot, put the flap back on. This is the battery compartment, and it includes a safety lock that you can pull out. Without this, it becomes much harder to turn on the lawnmower. Included main battery, 40 volts, 4 amp hour battery. I would consider this battery one of the bigger ones for handheld power tools, and absolutely necessary for a big device like this. The battery has a 4-level indicator. You can just push it to see the battery level. It made a click and now it's green. It appears I can still push the button on the battery while it's charging to check its level. So let's leave this to keep on charging. It has reached the full charge, so the light is solid green. Front wheels are 6.5 inch diameter. Rear wheels are about 7 3/4 inches. The wheels to me are somewhat of a hard rubber. It feels slightly rubbery, but not as much as car tires. On the right side, we have the grass height adjustment. Pull it in and you can adjust 5 levels of height adjustments. This bar helps make sure that all the wheels raises at the same level. Right now it's at the lowest, so I'm gonna move it up high. You can see how it just kind of connects all the wheels so they turn higher at the same time. Here's another look at the mechanism. These levers allow you to just pop it open without twisting anything, and it will fold over. This is actually a third storage option that's not mentioned in the manual. First way is you open it until it pops open like this, and then you fold it over and you can allow this to sit on the ground. If you want it a bit more compact, you can open these up and fold this back too, and now it becomes extra compact. Remove the bagger, and it becomes fairly small so you can store it in your garage. It will fit in a passenger car trunk. Let's put in the battery. 100%, all full bars. Let me remove the safety to test out if it works. Here we go. Nope, doesn't work. Put on the safety. Push this button first, okay. It's actually not that loud. Let's do that again. This little flap is for the air to escape. If it gets full, the flap will go down. I positioned this way so we can see what's going on here. Don't do this at home. Turn on. Now if I put on the leaf catch, you can see that hole gets plugged up. And this curved part of the blade actually pushes air in and makes it so that the leaves get pulverized multiple times and ready for composting right on the lawn. We're at the highest grass setting. Let's give it a shot. Push the button. ran for 6 minutes and 23 seconds already. I'm gonna run it until the battery's dead. Of course, when it's hitting the grass, it uses a little bit more battery power. I added up a total of 46 minutes and 34 seconds of total on time. Because there wasn't any resistance cutting grass, this is probably a slightly optimistic test. Overall, I'm surprised at the power and how long this lawnmower will last. The 4 amp hour battery is huge, and this machine will definitely do the job of mowing your front lawn. If you're interested in this product, check out my Amazon affiliate link down in the video description below. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.